Hello, this is Amin from Onyx, your trusted experts for all things printers. Today we're going to review the HP LaserJet 4200N printer. This review also covers the HP LaserJet 4240, HP LaserJet 4250, 4300, and 4350. Let's begin.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
We'll be doing 4 tests to evaluate its performance: a pages per minute test, a color darkness and font test, overview of the printer's features, and a wired printing speed test. Then we will be giving the printer an Onyx score. Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. The HP LaserJet 4200 managed to print 23 pages in 1 minute, which is not very good. If you need faster print speeds, we'd recommend going to the HP LaserJet 4350, which should look the exact same, but it'll be much faster. Next up is the color darkness and font test. For this test, we'll be bringing in the HP LaserJet 4350. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. As you can see, the printer's color darkness is okay and it handles different font sizes very good. Now let's delve into the features of this printer with the HP LaserJet 4250. This printer is a limited machine that can only print. It prints at a speed of 24 pages per minute for the 4200 and for the 4350, 55 pages per minute. It comes with a 500 sheet built-in input tray. For the 4200, you'll want to use a 38A cartridge, while the other printers in this series, including the 4240, 4250, 4300, and 4350, are compatible with the 42A or 42X cartridges. The printers are compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix operating systems. They do not support mobile printing, and they have standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. But for the 4200, it only has Ethernet connectivity. They come with a 2.5-inch LCD with navigation buttons. It's ENERGY STAR qualified for energy efficiency. Next, we'll conduct a wired printing speed test. We'll connect the printer to a computer via a wired connection and measure how long it takes to print a page. Impressive! The HP LaserJet 4250 managed to print the page in 10 seconds. Now let's wrap up with our final thoughts. Back to the HP LaserJet 4200. The HP LaserJet 4200 series and 4300 series are real workhorse printers, built tough to handle big printing jobs like a champ. It's all about getting the job done efficiently and reliably. With a simple 2.5-inch monochrome LCD panel, you would not need anything more. It's easy to navigate through settings and keep things running smoothly. This printer can also hold up to 500 sheets of paper in tray 2, making it perfect for those everyday printing tasks, and you won't need to refill the paper tray a lot. And if you need to print on different types of paper, it's got you covered with the 100 sheet input tray 1. With Ethernet and USB, it's a breeze to connect to your network and print from your computer. For a closer look on how the 20-year-old HP LaserJet 4200 series and 4300 series stack up against its biggest rival, the newest and greatest HP LaserJet Pro M608, click right up here, and don't forget to check the outro for the same video comparing those printers. Now let's give this printer an Onyx score. We hope this review has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to check out our other reviews for more insights into the world of printers. This is Amin from Onyx signing off. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.